Russia, a vast realm of history, culture, and geopolitics. Russia, the largest country on Earth, is a land of immense diversity, spanning from the frigid Arctic tundras to the grandeur of Moscow's Red Square. With a history that has left an indelible mark on the world, a rich cultural heritage, and a significant role in global geopolitics, Russia is a nation of captivating complexities. In this 2,500-word exploration, we will delve into various aspects of Russia, including its geography, history, culture, economy, politics, society, and its role in the world. Geographical majesty. From Siberian wastes to Eurasian crossroads. Vast territorial expanse. Russia's geographic expanse is awe-inspiring, covering more than 17 million square kilometers, 6.6 million square miles. It stretches across Europe and Asia, bridging the two continents. The country is home to diverse landscapes, from the frozen tundra of Siberia to the picturesque Caucasus Mountains. Russia also boasts the world's deepest freshwater lake, Lake Baikal. Historical epic, from Tsarist Empire to Soviet superpower. Russia's history dates back to the medieval era when it was ruled by a series of czars. The reign of Peter the Great saw significant modernization and expansion. The Russian Revolution of 1917 led to the establishment of the Soviet Union under communist rule. This period marked a tumultuous chapter in Russian and world history. With the dissolution of the Soviet Union in 1991, Russia emerged as an independent nation once again. The transition to democracy and capitalism has been a defining feature of the post-Soviet era. Cultural opulence, literature, arts, and cuisine. Russian literature is celebrated worldwide, with iconic authors like Leo Tolstoy, Fyodor Dostoevsky, and Anton Chekhov contributing masterpieces like War and Peace and Crime and Punishment. Russian classical music, ballet, and theater have made an indelible mark on the world. The works of composers like Tchaikovsky and ballet productions like Swan Lake are celebrated. Russian cuisine is hearty and diverse, with dishes like borscht, pelmeni, and blini gracing tables. Vodka, a quintessential Russian spirit, is a cultural symbol. Economic complex, from resource wealth to technological ambitions. Russia is rich in natural resources, including oil, natural gas, and minerals. Its energy sector plays a crucial role in the global market. Russia has a legacy of scientific achievement, from Yuri Gagarin's first spaceflight to advancements in nuclear physics. It continues to contribute to space exploration, aerospace, and technology. Political landscape, from the Kremlin to global diplomacy. Russia operates as a federal semi-presidential republic. The president is the head of state and the prime minister is the head of government. Russia holds a significant place in international affairs, with a permanent seat on the United Nations Security Council. It maintains diplomatic relations with countries worldwide and plays a role in various global issues. Russia is a mosaic of ethnicities and languages, with regions that have their own distinct cultures and traditions. However, ethnic tensions and challenges persist. While Russia is resource-rich, income inequality and regional disparities are prevalent issues. Efforts to address these disparities are ongoing. Russia's vast territory and military capabilities make it a key player in global geopolitics. It has been involved in regional conflicts and international negotiations. Russia's energy exports, particularly oil and natural gas, have a significant impact on global energy markets. It has also been a major player in resource extraction and trade. Russia's future is marked by a combination of opportunities and challenges. Economic diversification, political stability, and societal cohesion are key priorities as the nation navigates the complexities of the 21st century. In conclusion, Russia is a nation of grandeur, complexity, and global significance. Its journey from ancient empires to a modern superpower reflects resilience and adaptability. Understanding the multifaceted dynamics of Russia is essential for appreciating its contributions to Eurasia and the broader world. As Russia continues to evolve, it remains a nation of immense potential and global importance, offering a vast realm of exploration for those eager to discover its many facets.